Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 4V cordless metal detector, the model PAMD 4A1 with battery and USB cable. -10 to +50 degrees Celsius the operating temperature, measuring range 3 levels, 20, 40 and 60 mm with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice manual. One USB cable with a length 1.5 meters, Type C to Type A. Thick cable, I like it. One lanyard. Place it here and then add your belt. Or you can use the belt pouch. Adjust it. Nice. Plenty of options. Remove the cap for charging. I will do that. Silicone rubber. Sealing very well the Type-C port. I'm impressed. So Type-C cable, you need a 5V, plug in, and it's charging. Lovely. And after charging, insert the cap. Here we have the on-off button. Press once. Working LED light. You can turn it off, turn it on whenever you want. To turn off the unit, press and hold. And it is off. Press once, it is on. So, a metal, we need metal. We can see it's flashing. As I am approaching the metal, flashing the first bar, solid red, second, and the third. Nice. Let's test it with a coin. Just love it. Definitely I would like to test it at the wall, and if it can find rebar or even the electric cables. I really like how lightweight and portable it is and how it simplifies the process of locating metal objects in different situations. If you ever come within a whisker of drilling into a water pipe or live electrical wiring, you'll appreciate the value of a tool like this. It eliminates the guesswork involved in hanging shelves or mounting a TV. It's small, charges via USB-C and gives you the confidence you need before putting a hole in your wall. Considering the price only €10, it's the cheapest insurance policy a homeowner can purchase. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on more Parkside tools, gadgets and hands-on reviews. Thanks for watching, happy hunting and I'll see you in the next one.